All right, this is Bryant from the Plugin Optimizer team coming at you again with another training video. This time we're going to go over how to test your filters in Plugin Optimizer to make sure that all of your things are working, that all the functions that you need are working, that all of your plugins that you want to be blocked are being blocked. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Plugin Optimizer filters, and let's use this filter to start with. And what I'm going to do is I am going to block WooCommerce and WooCommerce admin, and I'm pretty sure that's going to break this filter. So this is my Printful filter, and so we're going to go to Printful here, and we're going to click on this. Yeah. So not allowed to access this page. That is a definite sign that I broke the filter. Let's go back. This time, let's refresh this page. And let's add back in WooCommerce and WooCommerce admin and save the filter. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our Printful page. And this time we have the dashboard loaded up. Okay. Now the way that we check to see, we're going to go through each one of these pages. And notice that Plugin Optimizer is blocking plugins and has these plugins running. So the first thing you want to do is just kind of look at each page and see if there's any obvious errors coming up, if the page doesn't load, things like that. However, we have a built-in way to look at the unfiltered page. Now, if you click on this, it will open up in the same page, so I recommend you right-click it and go to Open in New Tab. And now what you can do is once this page is loaded over here, you can switch between them and see if anything's changed. Here you can see that there are 0 blocked plugins. Page is not being filtered. Here you can see that the page is being filtered. Now, if you run across something that doesn't look right, so let's go to Settings in here, and over here, I want to show you, if you go to Settings in here, this page will be filtered. Do you see that? If I just click, so you've got to do Visit the Unfiltered Page. So now here's the unfiltered page. You notice that this ATUM is not showing up, so that's one thing that we notice, and maybe that's something that we want to allow for. That's an inventory plugin for WooCommerce. And notice though that on our settings page here, with the plugin running, you want to go down through and look at all the settings and make sure that they're all there, because sometimes a plugin that you need will have settings. Alright, so as far as I can tell, these pages look the same. Now, if you do need to change the filter, because right now the UTM is not working, or the ATUM plugin is not working, and it should show up here, although it's showing over here. We're going to have it show back up here by going in here, go to Filter and Use, and then just click that filter, and it'll take you right to the menu for that filter, and we'll add this back in, look for any others. No. Okay, we'll save this filter again. Okay, it's all good. Let's go back to our printful. And now you see that even in the filtered page, the ATUM drop down is available for us. So if you run into a problem that you can't figure out, please write support at Plugin Optimizer, and we will try to figure that out for you and get back with you as soon as possible. Other than that, have fun creating new filters and speeding up your pages. Talk to you soon.